Even though you have heard least about China BYD, Tesla and BYD as electric vehicle companies have been in intense competition recently. In fact, it would not be wrong to say that BYD is successfully surpassing Tesla in selling electric vehicles globally. How come this once a small battery selling company just jumped over to Tesla in recent years? This company literally remained hidden all these years, but now BYD is the world's #1 company in manufacturing and selling electric vehicles. Let's see the major differences between Tesla and BYD, which align both companies in a competitive position. BYD beat Tesla on the production scale for EV plus hybrid cars in 2023 for the first time. Last year, with 1.86 million new energy vehicles car sales, which is 3 times of the previous year. BYD became the world's #1 new energy vehicle brand, said BYD managing director in IAA Munich 2023. The same year, BYD again surpassed Tesla for EV-only vehicles with 526,409 car sales, leaving Tesla behind with 484,507 sales. Yes, a company that started as a lithium-ion mobile battery company in 1995 and entered the energy vehicles realm in 2008 managed to overcome the rising sales and production of Tesla energy vehicles. Yes, we're talking about the company in which Warren Buffett invested $232 million in 2008, but the electric vehicles still ended up as a flop at the same time. Battery material. Tesla uses lithium-ion for battery production to use in EV vehicles. BYD did the same for a long time. In 2020, BYD launched that Blade battery, also called the lithium iron phosphate battery, which costs less than other lithium-ion batteries used in EVs, just like Tesla. Stefan Bratzel, the Center of Automotive Management, says, "The battery is the most expensive part of the car. It's about 40% of the cost of an electric car is the battery. And if you have competencies in a battery, also innovation-wise but also cost-wise, then you have a big advantage in building electric cars. These batteries are even compact and safe to compare to other batteries used in EVs. This move went in the company's favor for sure, as the companies managed to reach 1.57 million sales in 2021. Hell, more than only 131,000 sales in the previous year. Whereas Tesla still uses lithium-ion batteries that are expensive and less compactable than the ones used in BYD electric vehicles. Manufacturing. Elon Musk's company, Tesla, is emerging with the goal of producing a massive portion of the vehicle in-house, with several things being manufactured inside Tesla factory boundaries. Even though Tesla makes, around 65% of the car parts on its own, while exporting the remaining parts from suppliers in the USA, the rate is still below BYD. In contrast, BYD manufactures almost 75% of the parts on its own. It is the manufacturing process that China BYD calls vertical integration. The company started as a battery company in the 90s. They did not face many challenges in manufacturing reliable and pocket-friendly batteries for their EV vehicles. Pricing. Here again, BYD wins over Tesla in several ways. For instance, it sells its top 10 models starting at a price below Tesla's cheapest offering for the Model 3. They have a very cheap model or models starting from $10,000, says BYD representative. The average selling price of Tesla is about $45,000. However, BYD sells its EVs for an average lowest price of $22,000. You can already figure out the difference. Local transportation. There is, however, another secret to BYD's success over Tesla. Unlike Tesla, BYD invests in buses and other local transport. For this reason, the company has to produce batteries at a massive rate. It ultimately increases the company's EV car production rate as compared to Tesla. That is one thing helping BYD make sure that there is progressive sales over the globe. On the other hand, Tesla does not produce buses and other local transportation. It limits its production to cars, trucks, and SUVs. How far can this race go? Will BYD be successful in dominating the electric vehicle world? Or is it just an illusion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!